Firstly, I wanted to thank Saurabh Bhatnagar for building such an awesome and wonderful platform for Indian entrepreneurs. I got FlexiFunnels access back in 2021, but I never tried using it because I thought a huge learning curve in learning FlexiFunnels and implementing, as I was very much familiar using Elementor Page Builder and WordPress for myself or for my clients. So when I heard about FlexiFunnels ambassador program, I thought like, okay, why not give it a try? Then I thought like implementing for myself first. So I started building my sales page and entire funnel on FlexiFunnels, and I was literally able to finish it off in just 4 hours. So that's a very less learning curve with FlexiFunnels, and literally any newbie, even if he's a newbie, can just start building that kind of stunning and converting landing pages just matter of minutes. And the support team was really extraordinary, that they resolved my payment integration issue just in matter of minutes, and that's the reason why I was able to finish off my entire service funnel on FlexiFunnels, and I started sharing to my clients, and even we got payments too on the same day. That we have generated around 1.94 lakhs of revenue in gross, and which in which around 62,000 is recurring on monthly basis in just matter of 20 days. So that's a kind of impact that we have got to our business using FlexiFunnels. FlexiFunnels have saved me tons of money in multiple subscriptions. Like the advanced features that are included in FlexiFunnels will cost me more than this. Like the blazing fast loading speed, accelerated pages, checkout pages, and optimizations that we have, and multiple integrations for payments and autoresponders, webinar integrations, webhook, and tons of features that it will just go on and go on. The list is so huge. So that's the kind of extraordinary features that are included in FlexiFunnels. And I would just recommend everyone who is into online business and want to scale their business, even if you are an agency owner or a business owner or a freelancer. This is one tool that will help you scale your business to the next level, and you have everything included in this one tool called FlexiFunnels, and you'll be blown away with the features and the conversions that you are able to get using this one tool.